Okay, so this is my Cadillac ATS 2013, and the issue is that we'll be handling today is the broken off mirror segment, broken off mirror turn light. So what we'll do, we will disassemble the mirror and we will replace it with a new one I got from eBay. Let's start. So first step is to release the mirror glass itself. I'm going to gently turn it all the way. It can be either in or out, and then to pull on it. Need just to wiggle it out several times. Okay, and here it goes out. See, here you have an electrical connector for the heated mirror. On the other side, on the driver's side, you will also have an electrical connector for the mirror, but I will just let it sit here. So the next step is we need a Torx driver. I think a T8 will match here. Let's see. No, T8 is too small. Maybe T10. Yes, T10 is on the spot. So I'm using the T10 driver based on a screwdriver, and I will unscrew the entire bottom side the mirror. So this is screw number 1. And underneath the mirror have here screw number 2. We'll put those in a safe place. And now we'll disconnect the turn signal itself. And also the light. It can be moved down there, and then you can move it up here. So here is the part, it's out. And now for the replacement part, still use the bottom LED, so I will remove gently this one, and we'll put the original back in. Can slide it in sideways and move it down, and then secure it in place by just inserting, and it will click. So now I'm removing the protective tape. And of course, not forget to connect the connector for the turn signal. this piece is a little bit broken there, over there where the screw should be, so I hope it will just hold fine as it is. There is a little pin here to align with the outer shell of the mirror, and now let's screw the screws back in. Screw number 1 and the second one from below. So now let's put the mirror glass back in, place it and gently pop it in. Okay, make sure it moves freely, and we are good to go. The broken one out, a new one in. Easier done than said. Thank you for watching.